2005. Beta, this is in short it is known as Manrega. Manrega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. These are the provisions. The aim to provide 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. Second, it also focus on sustainable development to address the cause of drought, deforestation and soil erosion to means to avoid any kind of natural disaster to deal with the poverty. 1/3 of proposed jobs have been reserved for women. Okay, the next is it provides employment to 220 crores person days of employment to 4.78 crore households. Means 4.78 crore households. It provides employment to 220 crores persons days of employment to 4.78 crore households. Beta, the scheme provided employment to 220 crores person days of employment to 4.78 crores households. This is actually a time calculation of the work days made by these people. The share of SC/ST women person days in the scheme are 23%, 17% and 53% respectively. Means for SC 23% number of days are fixed. For ST people 17% number of days fixed for their job, and for women 53% days are fixed to get a job. The average wage has increased from 65 in 2006-7 to 132 in 2013-14. Earlier it was 65, now it has been increased per day. Their wage has been increased 132 per day as per 2013-14. So these were some provisions of Manrega. Beta, this is one of the most important targeted program, anti-poverty target program. So this you have to learn. Second is PMRY. It stands for Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. It was implemented in 1993. Aim is to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. Okay, to create self-employment opportunities for educated youth, unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. They are helped in setting up small business and industries. Now, next is REGP. REGP stands for Rural Employment Generation Program. Program launched in 1995. The aim is to create self-employment opportunities in rural areas and small towns. A target for creating 25 lakh new jobs has been set up for the program under the 10th 5-year plan. Here also the objective is the same, to create self-employment opportunities in rural and town areas, and the target is fixed to create 25 lakh new jobs, okay, under this program. Next, SGSY stands for Swर्ण Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, launched in 1999. The aim to bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty line by organizing them into self-help groups through a mix of bank credit and government subsidy. Means those who are the below poverty line families, poor families, to help them by providing financial help to organize them into self-help groups, as well as by providing bank credit and government subsidies to start their own